Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something truly special that can make your gift-giving experience this holiday season not only easier but also more festive. We're talking about the best Drawstring Christmas gift bags bulk, an amazing solution for wrapping your presents with style and convenience. These Drawstring gift bags come in a pack of 20 and feature assorted sizes, including extra large, big, medium, and small, ensuring you have just the right one for every gift. What I absolutely love about these bags is the variety of designs. You'll find beautiful holiday-themed prints that instantly elevate your gifting game. Let's take a closer look at the quality of these bags. Made from durable plastic material, they're designed to withstand the wear and tear of handling presents without ripping or tearing. Plus, they're lightweight, which makes them ideal for even the heaviest of gifts. Now, one of the standout features of these bags is the drawstring closure. It couldn't be simpler. Just place your gift inside, pull the drawstring, and voila! Your gift is beautifully wrapped and ready to be presented. No more fighting with traditional wrapping paper and tape. Whether you want to pack up toys for the kids, gourmet treats for family members, or even a thoughtful handmade gift, these bags have you covered. With 5 of each design, you can mix and match to create a stunning display under the tree. The best part? The varied sizes mean you can fit anything from small knick-knacks to larger presents with ease. This level of versatility not only simplifies your gift wrapping process but also adds flair to your holiday presentations. And if you're someone who loves to reuse and recycle, you'll appreciate that these bags are reusable. You can save them for next year or even use them for other occasions beyond just Christmas. If you're like me and love to spread joy during the holidays without the hassle of complicated wrapping, these Drawstring Christmas gift bags are definitely the way to go. They combine practicality and charm, making gift-giving a breeze. To grab your own set of these fabulous gift bags, check out the link in the description below. It's time to make your holidays brighter and more organized. That wraps up our review of the best Drawstring Christmas gift bags bulk. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Happy gifting, and see you next time.